So, you want to be a coding wizard, huh? Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, the right tools can make all the difference. I've got just the tools to make it happen. Let's dive into the top 5 tools every beginner programmer should know about. First up, we have Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight, super customizable, and packed with extensions to make coding a breeze. You can tailor it to fit your workflow perfectly. Cons? It can get a bit heavy on memory with too many extensions, so be mindful of what you add. To get started, download Visual Studio Code from their official website. Once installed, explore the marketplace for extensions like Python, Prettier, and Live Server. These will enhance your coding experience. Next, meet GitHub. It's like social media for your code. GitHub is essential for version control and collaboration. Collaborate, share, and keep track of your projects. It's a great way to work with others and learn from their code. But remember, public repos mean everyone can see your code, so be cautious about what you share. To get started, create an account on GitHub. Use the GitHub desktop application for an easier interface to manage your repositories. Learn basic Git commands like commit, push, and pull to keep your code in sync. Third, we have Python. Not just a snake, but a beginner-friendly programming language. Python is known for its easy-to-read syntax and versatility. Easy syntax, tons of libraries. It's perfect for web development, data analysis, and more. Downside, not the fastest for heavy computation, but for most beginner projects it's more than sufficient. To get started, download Python from the official website. Use an IDE like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code with the Python extension. Explore libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Flask to expand your capabilities. Fourth on our list is Code Academy. Interactive hands-on learning that's perfect for beginners. Code Academy offers a structured path to learning coding. Downside, some of the best content is behind a paywall, but the free content is still very valuable. To get started, sign up for a free account on Code Academy. Begin with their free courses on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you find it valuable, consider investing in their Pro membership for more advanced content. Finally, let's talk about Stack Overflow, your go-to for problem solving. Stack Overflow is a massive community of developers ready to help you out. Tons of experienced devs ready to help. You can find answers to almost any coding question you have. But beware of information overload. Sometimes too many answers can be confusing. Take your time to find the best solution. And there you have it. 5 tools to kickstart your programming journey. Happy coding. Remember, the right tools can make learning to code a fun and rewarding experience. So get out there and start building something amazing.